national question will never be based how big and extravagant of the costume that you are wearing. It's how you put the life and carry the costume that you wear. A gorgeous evening to each and every one of you. My name is Diga Kate Sapinosa, 28 years old tenor, who hails from Cubao, Quezon City. But tonight, this is a pageant. I am one of the precious faces and the bombastic, the number one Tanduay baby of the Philippines, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Na nagsasabi, hindi man bastos, ngunit maaari niyong kunan ng aral. Baklaman po kami sa inyong paningin. Benggit hanggang hulo, inyo po kaming makikita. Biktima lamang po kami ng pangungutya ng lipunan. Babo lamang po makapagsasabi na kaming mga kapatid ng LGBT part of community ay hindi makakapunta o tungton sa langit. Dahil bukas, ngayon, at magpakailanman, kasama po kayo sa sirkulo ng buhay namin. Maraming salamat, Barangay Sentral.